Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to download and install Replika AI on your iPhone. To download the Replika AI application on your iPhone, first of all unlock your iPhone and make sure you are connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now open up your App Store. In the search box type in Replika. After typing it down, search for it and look for this application from Luca Inc. Click on the Get or the Install button according to your device's type and follow through the instructions. Wait for a couple of minutes and your Replika application should be downloaded. Click on Open to open up the app. Now you can go ahead and continue signing up or logging in. So that's how you can easily download Replika AI on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.